From critical safety tips to simple everyday car hacks, this video reveals 10 hidden features in your car that most drivers never use. Wondering what you might be overlooking? The answer is closer than you think. Number 1. Concealed key slot and key inside the fob. Picture this. You're standing beside your car, key fob in hand, and its battery is dead. You can't unlock the doors. What do? What many people don't realize is that the key fob usually hides a standard metal key in a small internal compartment. It's a backup feature created exactly for moments like this, but it often remains unnoticed. On most fobs, you'll see a tiny release button or sliding latch on the side or rear of the fob. Pressing or sliding it lets you pull out the physical key. And here's the detail that surprises a lot of drivers. The keyhole may not look like a normal lock. It's often hidden under a small cap on the door handle or tucked behind a cover where the main key slot should be. This simple backup solution can spare you a lot of stress in an emergency, giving you access to your car without waiting for assistance. Number 2. Sun visor side extension. You're driving straight toward the setting sun and the glare just won't let up. You lower the sun visor hoping it will help, but the light still slips around the side, striking your eyes. Is there a fix? For many drivers, there is, and it's already part of the visor. A lot of cars are fitted with a sliding side extension, but it often goes unnoticed or unused. To locate it, check the lower or side edge of the visor. The extension usually slides out from inside and can be drawn smoothly to cover a larger area. When extended, it blocks sunlight coming from awkward angles, such as through the side window or near the rearview mirror. Not only does this make your drive less irritating, it also helps reduce eye strain, allowing you to stay more focused on the road with fewer distractions from bright light. This often ignored feature can contribute to a safer and more comfortable trip for any driver. Before we move on, I'd like to ask a small favor. If you find this information useful, please take a moment to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Over 98% of viewers watch the videos without subscribing. It doesn't cost you anything, but it makes a big difference for us, so did you hit that subscribe button? Great, thanks a lot. Now, back to the video. Number 3, fuel tank arrow indicator. You pull up to a fuel pump, step out, and realize you're not sure which side the fuel door is on. Now you're leaning out of the window or looking around for a hint. Here's the thing. Your instrument panel already shows the answer, and it has been in front of you the whole time. That tiny triangle next to the fuel gauge isn't just for decoration. It's there to guide you. Look closely at the fuel indicator on your dashboard. Next to the little gas pump symbol, there is almost always an arrow pointing either left or right. This tells you which side of the car the fuel cap is on. It really is that simple. Number 4, remote window lowering via key fob. It's a very hot day and you're about to get into your car, which feels like an oven. But what if you could let the hot air out before opening the door? Many drivers don't know that their key fob has a hidden function. It can lower all the windows with a simple button sequence. The exact method depends on the brand, but the idea is basically the same. For many cars, holding the unlock button on the key fob for a few seconds is enough to drop all the windows at once. Some manufacturers require you to press the unlock button twice and hold it on the second press. In more advanced systems, you may first need to activate this option in the vehicle's settings menu. Number 5. Rear view mirror dimmer switch. Driving after dark is challenging on its own, but when bright headlights from a car behind you shine directly into your rearview mirror, it can feel almost blinding. What many motorists don't know is that most cars include a simple solution, a dimming function for the rear view mirror. If your car has a manual dimming mirror, you'll see a small lever or tab at the bottom of the mirror. Flipping this lever slightly changes the mirror's angle, redirecting the intense light away from your eyes while still letting you see the traffic behind you. It's a long-standing feature that has been used for years and is very easy to operate when needed. Number 6. Hidden trunk escape handle. Picture being stuck in a car's trunk. It's a scary situation, but car makers have planned for it. Since 2002, all passenger vehicles sold in the US must have an internal emergency trunk release. This safety feature, often overlooked, was created to prevent accidental entrapment. especially involving children. Before this requirement, such incidents led to as many as 20 deaths per year from heat or suffocation. Most newer cars have a bright handle or lever in. Number 7. Speed-sensitive volume control. Have you ever noticed the radio volume changing slightly as you drive? That's not a fault. It's the speed-sensitive volume system doing its job. This smart feature is designed to adjust your audio level according to how fast you're going and how loud the surrounding noise is. Here's what happens. As your speed increases, road and engine noise naturally grow louder. Instead of you constantly turning the knob, the system uses sensors to detect the change and automatically raises the volume to keep the sound clear and easy to hear. When you slow down or come to a stop, it does the opposite and turns the volume down. So the sound isn't too loud when the cabin becomes quieter. It's a small change, but it makes a noticeable difference. Number 8. Windshield wiper service position. Cleaning or changing your wiper blades can feel awkward when they don't lift far enough from the windshield, but some cars include a lesser-known feature to make this job easier. Many models come with a special wiper service mode, though it's rarely highlighted in the owner's manual. Turning it on usually involves a short sequence of steps that depends on your vehicle. A common method is to switch the ignition on, then off, and immediately tap the wiper control. If done correctly, the wipers move to a higher resting position on the windshield, so they're much easier to reach. This makes it simpler to clean the glass or swap the blades without obstruction, and reduces the chance of accidentally damaging the wiper arms or the glass. Number 9. Hidden storage under seats or floor panels. If you're struggling to find extra places to store items and keep the car tidy, the reality is that your vehicle may already have hidden compartments built in. Manufacturers often design secret storage spaces to better use the interior, but they're easy to overlook and therefore rarely used. For example, some vehicles like the Dodge Journey offer a clever storage tray under the front passenger seat or removable bins set into the floor. These areas are ideal for keeping everyday items stored securely and out of sight. Meanwhile, the Chrysler Pacifica goes further with covered storage spaces created when the second row seats are in their normal position. They're discreet, roomy, and perfect for things you don't want to leave visible in the cabin. Number 10. Automatic lock when walking away. Have you ever walked away from your car and then immediately wondered, did I lock it? For many newer vehicles, this concern isn't necessary. The auto lock function removes that worry by locking the doors automatically as you move away. If your key fob goes out of range, or after a preset delay, the car secures itself without you pressing any button. Turning this feature on usually requires a few adjustments in the vehicle's settings or infotainment system. Some cars let you customize it further, for example, by changing the delay before it locks or combining it with other security settings. A quick look at your owner's manual will help you enable and configure it to your liking. It's impressive how much capability your car actually has, isn't it? These hidden features are more than simple conveniences. They can improve your safety, comfort, and overall driving experience in ways many people never notice. Modern vehicles are filled with technology intended to make driving safer and easier, yet a lot of it goes unused simply because it's not obvious. Now it's your turn. Take another look at your car, try some of the ideas from this video, and you might even discover a hidden feature of your own.